Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a dress form at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 2 rolls of strong duct tape, an old t-shirt, and a roll of plastic wrap. Don't forget a permanent marker, sharp scissors, and a sturdy pole or stand for mounting. Most importantly, find a friend to assist you. This project is much easier with an extra set of hands for precise application and marking. Now, let's prepare your body for the taping process. Put on an old t-shirt that fits you well, as this will be the base layer. Next, have your helper tightly wrap your entire torso with plastic wrap, covering from your hips all the way up to your neck. This creates a smooth, protective surface for the duct tape application. Make sure it's snug, but still allows for comfortable breathing. With your body prepped, it's time for the duct tape. Your helper should start by applying horizontal strips of duct tape around your torso, overlapping each strip by about 1/2 inch. Once the first layer is complete, add a second layer, this time applying the tape vertically for extra strength and rigidity. Use a permanent marker to clearly mark your natural waistline, bust line, and hip lines directly onto the tape. Once the tape is firm, your helper will carefully cut the form straight up the back using sharp scissors. Gently remove the 2 halves from your body, then tape the cut seam back together securely. Now, tightly stuff your new dress form with polyester batting, old fabric scraps, or even newspaper to give it shape and firmness. Finally, mount it onto a sturdy pole or stand, and your custom dress form is ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.